Hello friends, good evening. Jai Shah here, and today I will just write first the small letters for today. The small letters in cursive, the basic way. Please don't skip the video. Please watch the full and slowly, and you can write and you can save the video for later purpose. And if you have any questions regarding this, you can just directly call to my number, which is here clearly given right here. Okay, I'm just starting with the small letters. Okay, small letters. Okay, it's a fountain pen I have taken to write. Okay, you can use a pencil or a fountain pen. Let's start. I'm writing very slowly so that you can learn it. In my previous videos I have said you how to do this part. It's B. And about the papers in which I am writing, I have completely described it. You can write F in this way or this way. But be very careful with the angle that is made on the sheet. Always try to maintain the angle, same angle of 55 degree or 53 degrees. And maintain the oval shapes as I have said in my previous videos. Please watch them. And also write in a stylish way, this way. While you write the I, leave it here in the middle part of this line. Don't go there like this, as because when you will just do the alphabet joining, then you will have problem with this. So first of all, practice with this, then slowly write like this. Okay, J, as you can see, I am just writing the same angles made on the sheets. If you measure it, they are all in the same position. Okay, like this. You see, I have started it from here. The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You start from here. It will go like this. Just when you just reach here, go straight. That means with this angle, that will be parallel. Okay, like this. Hello. In many YouTube videos, I also watch few videos, but I never saw anyone just showing the description. Okay, you just follow this part. When you will just go from here, just remember one thing, just turn it from this part. This will be the oval shape. From here, this part, it will go straight down, maintaining the angle. If you join, it will be a parallel, okay, line, like a ladder. Okay, always try to maintain that. L, the M, start it from here, maintain the angles, and give a curve here, end it here. The starting point will be the middle part, the ending part will be middle part, like this. See it again, it will start in between this line. See very carefully. Okay, like this. The end, same thing. Here it will be a curve like this. The starting point will be half of the ending point, this part. It will be like this. And if you write like this, then it will go wrong. Okay, like this. Don't do this. When you will just join another alphabet, then practice like this. It will be just the video on my next video. I will just make it how to join this. For first time, when you are writing, write like this. Okay, like this, and follow the angles. You see, this is the angle made on the paper, this is the angle, this is the angle, and this one is so the same angle. Okay, not like this or not like that. Okay. The O, write very slowly first time, don't go outside the lines. Okay, first of all, when you will start, few lines, few things will go like this outside. Okay, this will happen, it's a common thing, it's a common thing that your writing will go outside the lines. So don't worry for that. When you just practice it, it will go like this smoothly. And I call this part the half moon curve. Okay, if you see the angle, if I make it, it will look like half moon. This will apply all the alphabets, A, B, C, D. Every alphabet will have this half moon. Okay, I call it the half moon curve. Okay, now let's go for the P. You can also write like this. See, I am maintaining all the angle here made on the paper. Okay, the Q. Or you can write like this. Make a simple corner here. You can write also like this or this. Let's go for the R. In the R, I am zooming it out. This one is the angle made. Okay, R will go little bit different, otherwise like this. Okay, this one is the angle on the right side. Please maintain this angle for the R. Okay, let's right here. That means when you write the ending and the starting positions, everything will be same, maintaining the angle. Okay, and also the S, it will also be like this. It will go outside, inwards, and then outwards. You see, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so as you can see the paper how it's looking. I will just stop because the video will be long and you will be just bored out. On my next video I will just post the next alphabets. You just till then practice, and you can just send me here in this number is my WhatsApp. Okay, don't hesitate to call me directly or WhatsApp me. If you want to learn it from me online, you can just also tell me. Okay, thank you, good night.